Good day everyone. This is my PPT. This is my introduction. The barbershop appointment and customer management system is a Java console program that helps barbershops organize customers and appointments and users' accounts. It replaces manual recording with a digital process that is faster and more accurate. Admins can approve users and view reports, while barber can add customers, schedule appointments, and view records. With built-in authentication, validation, and activity logs, the system makes daily shop operation more organized and efficient. Next is stakeholders and system users. First, admin. The admin is responsible for managing and overseeing the system. Main roles: approves newly registered users, view all customers, barbers, and approve appointments, checks activity logs, ensures the system runs smoothly. Second is barber. The barber is the primary user who handles daily operation the barbershop. Main roles: add new customers, creates and schedules appointments, view customers and appointment records, log system activity. Third is customers. Customers are not direct system user but are managed inside the system. Main roles managed by barbers. Their profiles are added by barbers. They receive schedule appointments. Their information is stored and updated in the database. The next one is ERD, Entity Relationship Diagram. TVL users: UID, UNAME, UEmail, UType, UStatus, UPass. TVL customers: customers ID, customers name, customer email, customer status, user type, customer pass. TVL appointments: appointment ID, customer ID, barber name, appointment date, status. Next is TVL log ID, uname, action, log date. Next is TVL barbers: barber ID, barber name, barber specialty. The entity relationship diagram here show how user, customers, barbers, appointments, and system logs are connected, where customers and barbers can have multiple appointments. Users generate activity logs and admins manage approvals within the system. And this is my flowchart. This is my data dictionary. This is my system features and functions. The barbershop appointment system is designed to efficiently manage all aspects of a barbershop's operations, allowing users to register and maintain customer information, add and assign barbers, schedule appointments, select and assign multiple servers per appointment, update or cancel. Appointments: track the status of each appointment from pending to completed, calculate service costs, and ensure accurate storage and retrieval of data. Route a database connection, all while providing a simple menu driving. interface that guides users step by step through each function for seamless and organized management of the barbershop workflow. And this is my Java code. And this is my code to my database table. So this is, and this is my view barbers code, and add log, and this is my main program code, and this is my view record code, and my admin dashboard code, and barber menu code, and I'll run this code. So I choose a login, I put email can, password, continue yes. I choose log in again, and email is my password, continue yes, and I choose register, then name is Leon, email, then I type and continue yes. And this is my database SQLite, and this is my table. And that's all.